Hey there, trendsetter. It's time to give your living room a serious style upgrade that's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Buckle up as we dive into the wildest and wackiest living room decorating ideas that are totally rocking this year. 1. Biophilic Bliss. Bring the outdoors in. Imagine turning your living room into a mini jungle. Yep, you heard it right. Hang plants everywhere, go nuts with bamboo furniture, and let nature's vibes flow with earthy tones. It's like a staycation in a rainforest resort, minus the bugs. 2. Minimalistic Marvel. Less is the new more. Get ready to Marie Kondo the heck out of your living room. Keep things clean and classy with simple furniture, calm colors, and lines that are so straight they'd make a ruler jealous. And don't forget secret storage spots, your clutter won't know what hit it. 3. Techhaven. Living room, meet the Jetsons. Lights that follow your voice commands, blinds that know when to rise and shine, and a TV so smart it might just become your new best friend. Turn your living room into the ultimate tech sanctuary where everything's just a button or a voice away. 4. Vintage Fusion. Old school with a modern twist. Mix grandma's favorite armchair with neon lights and a disco ball. Welcome to Vintage Fusion. Think antique charm meets Instagram-worthy coolness. Unleash your inner hipster and create a room that's as unique as your record collection. 5. Artistic Expressions. Picasso called, he wants his living room back. Who needs a gallery when you can turn your living room into one? Big, bold paintings, sculptures that'll make your guests do a double take, and photos that tell your life story. It's your very own masterpiece, and you're the curator. 6. Bold jewel tones. Royalty called, they want their colors back. Forget beige and embrace colors that are as rich as a billionaire's dreams. Go for deep greens, blues that belong in the ocean, and purples that practically demand attention. Your living room is about to become the crown jewel of your home. 7. Cozy corners. Hug yourself comfort. Ever wanted a place to chillax so hard that you practically melt into your surroundings? Create cozy corners that are perfect for solo Netflix binges, bookworm sessions, or just some good old daydreaming. Make it so comfy, you might need a rescue team to get you out. 8. Retro Revival. Ready to get your disco groove on? Embrace the retro vibes with funky furniture, psychedelic patterns, and colors that scream peace and love. Add a lava lamp for good measure, and you're ready to throw a party that would make the 70s jealous. 9. Open concept flexibility. Say hello to an open living room that's all about flow and flexibility. Imagine cooking up a storm while catching up on your favorite shows, all without leaving your living room. Define spaces with style and rock that multitasking lifestyle like a pro. 10. Texture play, your fingertips will thank you. Get ready to touch everything in sight. Mix textures like a pro by throwing in some velvet, leather, metal, and glass. It's like a tactile adventure that'll keep your senses on their toes. Get ready to transform your living room into a space that's not just a room, but a whole mood. Whether you're vibing with the jungle life, getting your tech geek on, or reliving the retro days. This year is all about making your living room an extension of your personality. So go ahead, channel your inner designer and let the living room magic begin.